the mind to a limit where it needs to feed. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a lobby. And if you ain't with me, it's your loss. See, I got my mind on the facts, I'm a python, grab what I like real fast. So until I have everything, I attack everything that I lack, everything that I want, and I see matter of fact. Cause I'm my own worst enemy. Only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I manifest it. Every morning I wake up obsessed, and everything I do the best. And deep within my mind you know I'll always manifest it.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi di Bus Channel Aceh ya. Kita sedang review bus yang masuk tol Aceh ya, dari pintu gerbang Indapuri. Berarti tol ke Sigli belum aktif. Dari Indapuri ke Lamtamot. Ini gerbang di Indapuri ya. Ini pintu masuk berada di Indapuri, di situ adanya. Ya, kita sambil menunggu bus malam ya. Ini udah jam setengah 9 malam. Ya, kita tunggu, berarti jam 9 udah sampai ataupun jam setengah 10 udah sampai di gerbang Indapuri. Biasanya kalau malam pagi lewat tol karena lebih cepat dan lebih nyaman ya. Yuk kita simak videonya satu persatu ya. Ini ada satu truk juga masuk tol Indapuri juga ya. Ya, sambilan kita menunggu bus, kita review juga bus truknya yang masuk ke pintu gerbang tol Indapuri.